you see, I'm starting fresh with my bare fingernails. This is the Gel-On 100 180 buffer file that I'm going to start us off with. And I'm going to buff the nail bed for the next step that is to take place. There goes my hands. I'm now going to be filing the top part with the Beauty Secrets 169 430 files. I'm going to take the coarse side and file down the top part of my nail bed, just that way it is prepared for the nails I'm going to put on. I'm now going in with the Maybelline's Builder Nail Gel, my favorite, and I'm going to put a thin coat on my nail bed itself. Now I'm going to go in with this acetone along with a flat cotton round, and I'm going to wipe off the sticky residue. There goes my fingers. They look so fresh and so clean. Now I'm going to go back in with the Gel-On 100 180 nail file, and I'm going to buff the top layer of the gel that I did using the 100 section. I mean, I feel like you can use any side and you get the soft buff, just as long as you don't buff off too much. Now I'm going to go in with the Gel-On Nail Prep Dehydrator, and I'm going to dehydrate my nail bed with the builder gel on top of it, followed by me doing the nail primer on top of the nail dehydrator to keep my nails primed, prepped, and ready. For today's nails, I'm going to be using these almond or stiletto nails by Pretty Pal. And they have all the sizes on here. I think it's pretty unique. I'm just going through per usual, just finding the appropriate nail size. The one thing that I like with these nails in general is that it has a matte side on the bottom part of the Gel-X nails itself, where I don't have to file the inside. I can just pick out my size, I can put the glue on, and I'm set and deck, ready to go. So that is what you're going to see less of, is less filing in this video versus all my previous videos. I'm just setting up the light for you guys, and I'm showing you that I'm using the Gel-On nail glue gel for my nail tips, and then I'm just going to apply the nail glue only on the matte part of the nail so it can best adhere. You know, I'm going to do my gel apres method where I do the 45-degree angle. Then I'm going to press it or put my nail underneath the gooseneck lamp, counting to 15. Then I'm going to show you my nails. They are pretty long, but if you want, you can go ahead and you can cut them down. I'm someone that wanted the specific design that is on the thumbnail itself, so I did not cut mine down. But if you would like to, you can cut these down. This is my left hand. It looks pretty good. You see how long all the fingers are, and I end up doing both my hands, the right hand off camera, but look at my right ring finger. It was so crooked. I had to go off camera, take off the whole thing, and then do it again. Now I'm back in business. It's a little crooked, but it's not as bad as the other one. I'm going to go in with the same Piranha Gold Nail Drill Bit, and I'm going to file around the cuticle area because I did have some glue spewage over my cuticles, and I want it to be seamless as if I got my nails done at the nail salon. And by the way, when I'm doing the filing with this, I do the lowest setting. I forgot to mention that, but I do the lowest setting so I don't cut up my cuticles. And there goes my nails filed. Now I'm going with the Beauty Secrets 169 430 file, and I'm just filing the top part of the nails because it has a little tag that's on there, just so that way it doesn't scratch me and it can just be rounded. If you want yours pointed, you can go ahead and point it, but I don't want to do that. I'm now going with the Beetles Foundation Base Gel, and I'm just going to apply that base coat on there. I decided not to file the top part, knowing that I'm going for a glass nail look and I don't want to ruin the nail itself and then the nail design looks bleh. Okay, so now I'm going in with this gold chrome powder along with this rhinestone chrome applicator. I'm going to see if I can find it and then put it in the description box below. I don't use the makeup brush applicator, so I did 3 attempts on this. So now my first attempt, I put the chrome on top of the base coat without wiping it off. As you see, I'm shaking the table and I'm trying, but I did not like it. This is my first time in a while working with chrome, so I decided to wipe it off with acetone and another cotton round. This was not a no shed, this was a shed one, but it was pretty clear. Second attempt, this is just the base coat by itself with the chrome on its own. I'm rubbing. It's not as bad, but I still wasn't fond of it. So I end up wiping it off again. There goes the spoiler. I was not fond of it, so I just wiped it off. Then I'm going with the Beetles top coat after I wiped it off yet again. And I just decided to put the top coat on all of them just so I have that full glass nail effect. If you want to leave your nails like that, you can go ahead, but I want to do more, okay? So I put my hand underneath the lamp for 60 seconds and then I came out. I did the chrome yet again, and hence third time is the charm. I decided to go ahead and put the chrome on, and this was the best application. So learn from me, just do your base coat, then do the top coat. If you're doing a glass nail, put it underneath the lamp for 60 seconds and then put the chrome on top. That is what achieved that shiny gold. And as you can see from my nail design, I decided to stop it at my nail bed itself. I didn't want to go up to the tip because I am going for that ombre effect with the chrome. I could have gone all the way to the tip to make it different from the original design, but I wanted to copy that exact original design. I want to challenge myself, and this is one way of me doing so. There goes my hands. I like it. So I'm going to move on. I'm going to put on more Beetles top coat. And what I did was I decided not to dip my brush in there again. So I took tissue and I wiped the brush on the tissue. And then I dipped my brush back into the top coat and I applied it some more because I don't want the chrome to transition when I am doing another nail design. So there goes my nails, pretty shiny. Now I decided to try something different. This is the Solid Gel by Kita. I got it from Shein. Alongside me using these champagne colored rhinestones and then the white rhinestones and then the orange ones that I'm showing you. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat that this 3D glue is perfect for the 3D nail designs. You know, the 3D nail art that is trending right now. That's what that's good for. It is not good, however, for rhinestone applications. Like I remember just putting the stones on and I was loving it and it could cure and all that, but my stones came off within, I don't say all of them, but a lot of them started to come off the same day, and by the time that I want to show off, most of the stones came off. So right now I took off this nail design and I just paint my nails orange. That's my current design. But going back to what you see on the screen, I went into the different color rhinestones. I did the champagne color, then I would go back into the orange and the white, and I just randomly placed them in different parts, but I made sure I did a diagonal design. It was almost clustered, like the model that is on the screen is almost like that, but again, I'm using different colors. This model was using rose gold and like a lot of pinks. I want to do golds, oranges, champagne, shades. So that's what I was doing. I just put different stone colors and different stone sizes in random places. But I started off with the larger ones first so they can take up more space. And then I went in with the smaller rhinestones all about to kind of cover the negative space. And then of course underneath my gooseneck lamp, I cured it for 15 seconds. There goes the nail design. It looks beautiful. So now you're just going to watch me do the rest of my nails. I'll tell you from now that it's best to use the rhinestone glue or the builder nail gel because that mess keeps your nails on for a long time. What I used in this tutorial is not the best for rhinestone application. Again, if you are doing a 3D design, then it'll be perfect for that because it'll just stay. Notice how on my middle finger, I did a different diagonal shape. So I was doing different diagonal rotations so that way they can look different. And with the other end of the rhinestone picker upper, I was just adjusting it because again, the rhinestones are going to move based on gravity, okay? And as you can see, I'm working on my ring finger. You see the different directions in which the rhinestone designs are going. That's what you want. But if you want them all to go in the same way, you could do that too. At the end of the day, it is your nails. I'm just showing you a tutorial based on what I saw on Pinterest because I thought it was so stinking beautiful and I had to do it. And plus two, I had dinner around this time, so I wanted something extravagant, okay? But let me be quiet. So we're approaching the end, but I love this nail design. I just used the wrong rhinestone application. It's also beautiful. Thank you for tuning into this nail craze with me, Tay Rosé. If you have any more ideas knowing that fall is coming through, let me know in the comments below. But thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more of myself. There are other videos that are coming up next, including a previous episode of Keeping Up with Tay Rosé. And I will see you over there. Bye.